electoral bond, Rahul Gandhi said that this is Narendra Modi master scheme, the whole idea of the Prime Minister Modi.
No, so far Mr. Rahul Gandhi has not replied. Whatever they have received, what about that? That is number one. Number two, whatever so far all political parties they were receiving, that is number one money. And all these days, have they not spent money? Without spending the money they have elected? They used to use black money. And we tried to convert this system. At least there was a beginning. If there are some loopholes in that, we could have improved it. However, whatever Supreme Court has said, that has to be followed, and you have followed it. But what about what they have taken, what donation they have received? More than 1,600 crores they have received. And many political, their India alliance, they have received in a huge way. All put together, if you see it, all India alliance together, whatever BJP has received, that much only they have also received almost. And what they are talking? Why they received? They should have denied that. Why they have used the system? When it has come out, Modi has done. And when you have taken, when you have received, what is your say on that?
He is saying that this is a big haftebazi. He is saying that this is haftebazi.
Why he did haftebazi then? Why Mr. Rahul Gandhi did it? He should have told his party he is the uncrowned king of the Congress party.
Sir, he also alleged that the RSS and BJP are trying to destroy the constitution, and India Alliance and Congress is trying to save the constitution.
Who has spoiled the constitution? Who has disregarded the constitution? The world knows it. During emergency, what happened during Indira Gandhi time? Entire constitution was overturned, disrupted, and in almost 60 years of their rule, they have imposed Article 356 more than 90 times. All elected governments were just removed. Not even corporations were removed like that. They are dismissed like that. They have dismissed, and they are talking about BJP. BJP is the most democratic party, and from last so many years, democratic elected president are there for the party at all level, whatever your party. And for the first time, that is to also, because Rahul Gandhi, after relaunching, because he failed, then this Kharge ji has been brought. That also, they never wanted to bring Kharge, they wanted to bring pilot. The pilot himself became buggy, rebel. Then he was brought. And what he is talking about BJP?
Sir, how much you are confident to get Modi's idea of 400 power?
No, I am very, very confident. The whole country is confident, and many of the world leaders are also confident, and people of this country are showing so much faith, love, affection towards Prime Minister Shri Modi.